Hi everyone, this is a 6-pin no-name oval cylinder. It's missing on the key. Quite interesting. Stiff in here, key in. Oops, that is the key for it. Right, tools I'm planning to use for this. Worm rake or snake rake and a shallow hook. Tension's going on the open side on account of the raking. I'm just going to zip it a few times. Gets us to a false set. Find the binding pin. Several candidates. Just press them in turn. Wait for counter rotation. Like this. And it pops it open. Now I'm going to be mixing up the techniques in these videos from now on. You guys that have been subscribed for a long time will have seen me single pin pick dozens of locks by now, and I just can't imagine that is still that interesting. So I'm going to be using different techniques like the worm rake here, different combination tools, just to hopefully make the videos a bit more interesting for you. Thanks for watching this one. I'll see you next time.